Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for November 1st, 2014. We have a wet and windy day out there throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area, with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior and mid 40s along the coast, with a wind around 10 to 20 miles per hour from the northeast backing to the northwest as an area of low pressure slowly lifts northeast over the coastal waters. So, looks like we're going to be dealing with a very wet and windy day, and unfortunately, a cold and windy day for tomorrow. The first low pressure system off the New Jersey coast will continue to lift northeast. The second low pressure system off North Carolina will not impact our forecast area as far as rainfall, but will produce very windy conditions by the time we get to tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. So, it looks like it's going to be a very wet and windy day today and cold and windy tomorrow. On the latest radar, you can see very heavy rainfall focused over New Jersey. Now, the good news is that a lot of this rainfall will be out of here by the time we get to late this evening, which means tomorrow will be high and dry. But unfortunately, very heavy rainfall will focus right along the coast, producing the threat for localized flash flooding. Over the interior, just look for a few scattered showers. This really isn't your storm, with only about a tenth of an inch of rainfall expected throughout the rest of the day. Really not much of a way of impact over the interior, but along the coast it's going to be pretty ugly, with rainfall amounts ranging from a half an inch to as much as 2 inches of rain in some locations, especially in some of these areas where we're seeing some very heavy rainfall over central and southern New Jersey. On the latest water vapor satellite picture, you can see we have a very strong storm moving into the west coast. This storm will kick this storm along the east coast out into the Atlantic. So luckily, instead of dealing with only 1 day of, 2 days of wind and rain, we're only going to have one, because this upper level low is going to get kicked out into the Atlantic because of this Pacific storm driving into the western United States. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you could see cloud cover covering all of the northern mid-Atlantic. And some of those cloud tops are getting up there in the atmosphere, with colder cloud tops meaning stronger rainfall over the region. Let's take a look at the latest model guidance using the European model guidance from the Penn State UL website. For today, again, periods of rain, temperatures ranging in the upper 40s to lower 50s for highs. It's going to be a wet and raw day out there. For tomorrow, high pressure will take control, but it will be windy, with winds from the northwest at around 15 to 25 miles per hour, with gusts over 30 miles per hour. Temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, and lower to mid 30s along the coast for lows. High temperatures only in the mid to upper 40s will feel like the upper 30s to lower 40s tomorrow afternoon. High pressure will remain in control from Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, with modifying temperatures throughout the period. On Monday, look for low temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the mid 50s. On Tuesday, lows in the mid to upper 30s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. And on Wednesday, lows in the mid 40s and highs in the mid 60s, moderating rather nicely. On Thursday, a cold front will move through the region with scattered showers, temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s for lows and upper 50s to lower 60s for highs. And we fall right back into our cool pattern, with high pressure in control and windy conditions at times in the afternoon, ranging from 10 to 20 miles per hour. Temperatures will range from the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows, and high temperatures only in the upper 40s to lower 50s. That's your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter, Facebook, Google+, and LinkedIn. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.